Hello everyone, I am Suganti here. Today I would like to present about system for linking the enterprise from chapter 2 global e-business and collaboration in subject management system information. Okay, if we observe the sum of the enterprises lack of proper coordination and integration seems to be a major issue which is worrying them. Getting all the different kinds of system in a company to work together has proven a major challenge. One solution is to implement is enterprise application that I show here. Enterprise application. Enterprise application which are system that span functional areas, focus on executive business processes, cross the business form and include all level of enterprises. Enterprise application help business become more flexible and productive by coordinating their business processes more closely and more efficient management. Okay. There are four major enterprise applications. They are enterprise system, customer management system, knowledge management system, and the last in the enterprise application is supply chain management system. Enterprise system is firm use enterprise system to integrate business processes in manufacturing and production, finance and accounting, sales and marketing, and human resources into a single software system. Information that was previously frag- fragment- fragmented into many different systems is stored in a single comprehensive data uh, repository where it can be used in by many different parts of the business. Second is sub customer management system. Customer management system uh, to help manage their relationship with their customer. Customer management system provide information to coordinate all of the business processes that deal with customer in sales, marketing, and service to optimize revenue, customer satisfaction, and customer retention. This information helps firms identify, attract, and retain the most profitable customers, and also giving a better service and increase the sales. Third, knowledge management system. Some firms perform better than other because they have better knowledge about how to create, produce, and deliver the product or the service. This firm knowledge is difficult to imitate, unique, and can be leveraged into a long-term strategic benefit. Nourishment management system able organization to better manage processes for capturing and applying knowledge and expertise. This system collects all relevant knowledge and experience in the firm and make it available wherever and whenever it's needed. And the last, supply management system to help manage relationship with their suppliers, mainly for suppliers. This system helps suppliers, purchasing firms, distributors, and logistic companies share information about orders, production, inventory levels, and delivery of product and services. Supply chain management system are one type of the inter-organization system because they automate the flow of information across the organization borderless. Enterprise applications are designed to coordinate multiple function and business processes, and enterprise is the one of the uh, application that help to linking the enterprises. Okay, next system is extranet and intranets. Intranets is a internet company website that are accessible only by the employees. Intranet is a network where employees can create content, communicate, collaborate, get stuff done, and develop the company culture. It refers to an uh, internal network private access area in a large company website. Extranet accessible to the authorized vendors and the suppliers. Uh, it provides control access to authorized uh, customers, vendors, partners, or out of the company. But Uh, intranet and extranet supports two different areas in a business but has a similar goals to improve how employees work with clients and each other. Sometimes they are combined in the same software or sometimes separately. Okay, the next systems for linking the enterprise is, as we all know well, knows well about these three: e-business, e-coms, e-government. E-business is use of digital technology and the internet to execute the major business. E-business includes activities for the internet management of the firm and for coordination with suppliers and other business partners. E-coms deal with buying and selling of goods and service over the internet. It also encompasses activities supporting those market transactions such as advertising, marketing, customer support, security, delivery, and payment. E-government, uh, this able government and public sector agency relationship with the citizen, businesses, and other arm for government. The application of internet and networking technology to digitally able government and public sector agency relationship with citizen, business, and other arms of government. Okay, this is some notes of um, systems for linking the enterprise that just now I explained in the mind map. This is more detailed explanation. Enterprise application integrate business processes in manufacturing and production, finance and accounting, sales and marketing, and human resources into a single software system. Okay, supply chain management. Uh, Supply chain management help manage relationship with their suppliers. This system helps suppliers, purchasing firms, distributor and logistic company and share information about orders, production, inventory level and delivery of goods and service so they can source, produce and deliver goods and service efficiently. Okay. Third, customer management system help manage their relationship with customer. Knowledge management system able organization to better manage processes, capturing and applying knowledge and expertise. And intranet, it's refer an internal network and private access area in large company. Intranet, extranet use the coordinate the movement of supplies to the firms and production. Okay, this is uh, this that's all from chapter 2, global e-business and collaboration, uh, under 2.2, systems for linking the enterprise. Thank you very much.